Have you ever wanted to ask a real estate broker questions as a realtor in the industry? Well,
I'm Broker Nick at Premiere Plus Realty, and I guess I'm here to answer them.
you got to tune into this episode of Really Mary and find out more.
Really, Mary?
Welcome back to Really Mary. I am so delighted today to have our broker Nick from Premiere Plus Realty, in the studio with me today. Yay!
Hey, here we are.
Here we are. And we're going to kind of fast, rapid questions for Nick that have gotten written down that he doesn't really know about yet. So we're going to give them to him. So the first thing is, what sets Premiere Plus apart from other brokerages in Southwest Florida?
It's a great question, Mary. You know, at Premiere Plus Realty, we're all about low fees, fast broker support, and providing our agents with the tools and resources they need to succeed, period.
Love it. Love it. And that is the focus. I know because we are part of it.
Yeah.
So what do agents want to know about the top questions you get from agents who are thinking about joining a brokerage?
Sure. I think probably the number one question we get is what resources and what tools do you provide? Agents want to know that what they're investing in their broker, they're getting back. They're seeing the result. They're seeing the product that they're buying.
Yeah. Well, and the best thing is that the fees are really low.
Yeah, we have some of the most competitive fees in Southwest Florida and even nationwide. And at the end of the day, our agents are netting about 96, 97% of their total compensation.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
incredible.
for sure.
That's incredible. Next question is, how does Premiere Plus structure support fees and resources for agents? We kind of covered a little bit of that, but let's talk a little bit more about support,
Yeah.
because you talked about broker support,
Mhm.
which is really critical. How is that structured?
Yeah, so I'm obviously very passionate about our support operations. I like to tell people that we operate somewhere between a 911 dispatch center and an emergency room. So we're constantly triaging issues as they come in and calls as they come in. And we're all about collaboration. So when agents call in, our entire compliance team and our entire broker support team is seeing that issue live time. And we're all giving our input in on it. So no matter who you're talking to, you have the support of our entire team.
I love that.
Yeah.
And you do that through technology, clearly.
We
'Cause
do.
you're not all
Yeah.
sitting in the same
No,
place at the
we're
same
not.
time.
No, we're actually a global operation. So we have
Yeah.
staff all across the world really working to support our agents 24 hours a day.
I love that. And because I don't know, so let's ask. Does all of that content that you're answering go into some kind of database or AI so that somebody else can get that again?
Yeah, that's another great question. So we are starting to leverage AI for a lot of our support resources because I don't know how much I can talk about that.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. It's super top secret. It's making us one of the most efficient brokerages, not only in Southwest Florida but in the country. And when you're processing as many transactions as we are,
Right.
roughly 4,000 plus transactions a year, you have to have the ultra top secret resources to get the job done as
Yeah.
quickly and efficiently as possible to keep those fees low and to keep that service high.
I love that. I love it. Okay, next question. How do you support teams? We're a team within the brokerage, like the Bartos Group. And how do those teams play in the larger company ecosystem?
Yeah, another great question. And Mary, you can really answer this question better than I can, but truthfully, we just take a hands-on approach.
Yeah.
It's all about the relationship between the brokerage and the team leader and the team members and all of the staff. And it's not bogging them down with technology. It's just answering the phone, being committed to everyone's success, and knowing that we will do whatever we can to help make you have a successful business, to help you have
Yeah.
a fulfilling business. And it's just being a partner. It's not a broker associate relationship. It's a business partnership.
And I will go down that path, because if you're a team out there and you are at a different brokerage, this is the place to grow your team. I mean, the fee structure on the back end allow us to have really competitive um, amount of money that goes to our agents.
Absolutely. Yeah. Our compensation model and the tools and resources that we provide allow team members to be very entrepreneurial in whatever it is they'd like to do. So, whatever split they desire to have, they can do it under our model without really seeing any negative impact to their bottom line.
That's right, because there's a lot of brokerages out there that have a very high split, and then you get to a team split, and the agent doesn't really go home with much money at the end of the day.
You're right. Not enough brokers focus on net profit. At the end of the day, for you as an entrepreneur, it's all about net profit. And our model really is the best for that.
You've heard it here first. So the next question is, how do you help agents stay compliant? Ooh, that's a big one. Protected and confident when navigating contracts and legal issues.
Yeah, compliance, especially in a brokerage of our size, it's kind of a love-hate thing, right? Like none of us want to go to real estate jail. One of my
No.
mentors used that analogy a lot, but none of us want to end up in the courtroom. We don't want to get in a tough situation. So
No.
we have to be compliant, and it is important. We're leveraging a lot of those super top secret AI tools to help us, ensure compliance across the board. We do use custom state-of-the-art technology in our compliance system to make sure that the agents know
Yeah.
what they need to upload and make sure that we're in an environment that we can approve that or reject that in a timely fashion. But ultimately, it's training. We
Training.
go really hard with training to
That's
make
right.
sure that the agents know exactly what they need when they're going into a transaction so that there's no surprises.
We had a lot of changes this last year
Yeah,
and a half,
for sure.
and you have really been, Premiere Plus has been the leading the industry in understanding that and helping to get the word out and how this changes for the
Yeah.
agents so that you have the smartest agents.
Yeah, I
That's-
think so.
I think so too. I think I am. Just kidding. What are the best things an agent can do to grow quickly in the Southwest Florida market?
Sure. Well, let's start with the obvious one. Answer the phone. They just got to answer the phone. I see more conflicts hit my desk because agents just aren't answering their phone. I think be willing to do anything. Say yes
Mm,
to as much as you can. Do open houses. Help that colleague with the showing or inspection when they're out of town. Just be open to receiving as much opportunity as you can.
I love that for sure.
Really, the biggest tip I can give is go to joinpremiere.com. There you'll learn all about the tools and resources that Premiere Plus Realty offers to all of our associates,
Yeah.
including our compensation, and set up a meeting to meet with our director of growth. And, let's get you started.
You heard
Period.
it here. Let's get you started. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premiere Plus Realty,
And I'm Broker Nick with Premiere Plus Realty.
and we can't wait to see you here having a career in real estate and joining the team.
That's right.